Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get Hitler in Infinite Craft. So in order to get him, let's put in here water. And on this water, let's put in here another water, then merge them together and now we have lake. So for this one, let's head it over and then add another water to that and then merge them together. Now we have ocean. So for this ocean, let's put in here earth and then merge them together and now we have island. So next thing we need to do is put island in here and then merge them. Now we have continent. So for this continent, next thing we need to do is to add in here earth. And on this earth right here, let's add in here a water or another earth and then merge them together and now we have mountain. Next thing we need to do is we need to put mountain and continent together and now we have Asia. So next thing we need to do is put another continent to that and then merge them and then we have Europe. So since we already have Europe right here, next thing we need to do is we need to put in here another earth and another wind and then merge the earth and wind together in order to create the dust. So now that we have them, let's put water on the dust right here. Now we have mud. So on this mud, next thing we need to do is put fire on the mud right here. Now we have brick. Now on this brick, we just need to put another brick to that brick that we have right here. And now we have the wall. So since we already have the wall, let's put that in Europe. Now we have Berlin. Now let's add Berlin to another Berlin. And now we have Germany. So for this one, next thing we need to do is just put in here another element that we have, which is dust. And on this dust, let's just merge them together and now we have Hitler. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.